Hey guys, welcome back to Scrummy Recipes. Today's recipe is an easy 3-ingredient delicious shortbread cookies. That's right, only 3 ingredients and no extra work. There is no need to form or roll a dough. It's just utterly delicious. Hope you guys like it. For this recipe, take a tart pan with a removable bottom. If you do not have a tart pan, a spring form cake pan will also do. It is important to have a removable bottom to get a picture perfect shortbread cookie. So I am using a 9-inch tart pan over here. So let's take some butter and let us thoroughly grease the pan. Make sure you grease the edges as well, and let's keep this tart pan aside. To a bowl, add 1.5 cups of flour, one-fourth cup of powdered sugar, give the dry ingredients a mix. Now add 100 grams of cold butter. Please be sure that your butter is cold enough. You can cut the butter into small pieces, refrigerate and then use in the recipe. Using your fingertips, rub the butter into the dry ingredients. You can use both your hands but do not use your entire palm because the butter will melt. Rub the butter until a breadcrumb-like texture is formed. This step is very important so that the cookie is light and crumbly in texture, and also this helps the cookie to rise. You can see that the mixture looks like breadcrumbs now, and when you squeeze the mixture in your palm, it holds its shape. That means the mixture is ready. Transfer the mixture to a prepared tart pan. Gently spread and pack down using your fingertips. You can also use the back of a spoon or a flat bottom glass. Once they are nicely packed, let's use a fork and prick all over the cookie. Our shortbread cookie is now ready to bake, so let's bake the cookie at 160 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes or until the top is firm and golden brown in color. Our shortbread is now ready. You can see that they are golden brown in color on the top. Be very careful because it is just out from the oven, and let's take it out from the pan. With the help of an inverted bowl, you can easily remove the pan. Okay, so while it's still hot, let's cut the shortbread cookies into 8 slices. There we go, our 3-ingredient shortbread cookies. Once cooled, enjoy them with a nice cup of tea. Do try them out guys, they are so good, and share a pic with us. Hope you guys liked our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also follow us on Instagram. I'll see you guys again with another Scrummy recipe. Until then, bye bye.